bottom, now we here. Sekumele gcwale clever, and no stopping, now we persevere. Ngiphume ekasi esingathatha ama-chance, esiphathula ama-pass. From ekasi to the city press, ngichithe ink ngigcwalisa amaphepha, mqondo wami uyangakhela. Understand uba lento sayikhendla, sikhule kuzo kuley'qada zesilenga, sikhule siloko sincenga. Dust sithela amanzi sishangele, evaka umzansi uphethwe yile ntwana from the streets. The streets waste the kids from imike to be disc. Throwing ipolitiki yonke into isibuzwa kithi. That's why mele ngiberile every time angeyibhithi. Sikhule sikokotela izuku ukuze dlala uma-staff. I have my leg except my mind, ngeke ngijime ukuba tough. Angidlala never bluff, but intombi akhiba craft. Ishintshisa ama-position kuze usithole behind bars. Umshini ongapholisi ngena ngishisela amabhadla, ngena like siyakolisi. Lento ngisangayiphinda twice, ithi ngisheshe ngipholisi. Likukunika imasana ngoba ezamazi bakhathaza, umqondo zutheshisa pha. Then ezamazi kuhlehlisi zakusondela if I was. This is kasi rap, kasi this, kasi that. Ezinye zingabi depressed, inclef ihlezi ne-plan. Ezinye sikhanda ikhotha ubona imantshi iphuza ikhele. Ezinye sikhanda iflop efaka inyuku ye-weekend. Jinje zokuhlela iqimithi lokukhipha kuphithi cash. Ekasi movie scene, come here was an action. Kwezinye indawo uthi ngiphinde ukusuka ngesikade. Ngangibiza i-journalist coming from the dusty web. Sungadenka ukuthi I-camp, ama-city squad camps. Squad from the squad camps, phinde kuphuma ama-champs. Intwana esinediscipline, futhi esikhula nge-respect. Zona sikhetho mandate, sifuna ukwenza nje impact. This is kasi rap, that's the streets and quarter camps. RIP wonke ama-chance, angaphasanga le-10. RIP wonke ama-ladies couldn't make it to the test. Umhlaba wama-brain, survival of the smart test. Learn from the past, inokuthi kasalibhadala. So we train our minds for le mpilo ehamba cha, cause asifuna ukuba fucked, mase kuhamba nje isikhathi.